What's up, guys? Welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you the JayDaYoungan structure. So let's just get started. And quickly, when I say one block, I mean just one of these highlighted areas. All right. And the reason I'm doing that is because when you look at this in the video, it's just, visually it looks better and you can understand it better for beginners and everything. So that's what I mean by one block. So for the intro is always a lot longer than your normal or usual songs, so it's going to be about 30 seconds. So what I would use for the intro, as far as your sound selection or your instruments that you have, use the softer sounds, so like a pad, a arp, something like that. So I'm going to drag mine in real quick, make that a little bit larger. Let's duplicate that so it goes all the way over here. So what the next thing you want to do is build it. So you can take out whatever you want, but on this first block here, I'm going to take that out. So it should build up and sound something like this. All right, so we got the intro done. So now this is the part that's a little different from what you usually hear. This other part here is going to be it's going to be a hook, the entire song. So that's why I named it song. So let's copy everything here. And then while I do that, I'm going to play this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this over again. And this is what it should sound like going into the song. All right, so there you have that, and you can add some extra stuff in here. So instead of just copying everything, there's one other thing that I did notice at the end, at about, we're gonna say 4 blocks, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, at about right here, you will either take out a kick if you have one, or maybe take out the 808, take out a hi-hat. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out a hi-hat about right here. You can do whatever you want. Let's take out this crash because we don't want it to be, the crash can be annoying if we keep playing it over and over again. All right, so you can add something different there, but I did notice at about, after about 4 of these blocks, there's always like a different type of effect or something there. So you can take that and do what you want. Let's pull this over. And then for this part here, we can just copy this part and then move this over. All right, and I'll play this part. And it's just a smooth transition back into when the crash comes in. So for the outro, all you're gonna do is copy the intro, copy it over, and then move whatever instrument you built up into the hook, I guess. You just bring it back over. So you're just gonna reverse it. All right, and this is what it would sound like going into that. All right, and typically this part is a little bit shorter than this, but for now, for simplicity, we're just gonna keep it like it is. So this hook outro, sometimes the beat comes back in, but then it fades, it fades out as soon as it comes in. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take this part, copy it over, and we're just gonna copy it twice. And then let's highlight this. So all I'm doing, double clicking and holding, and then dragging it. Let's zoom in a bit for you. And then up here on this knob, right click, create automation clip, and you should see this pull up right here, this master volume. Right click this knob again, copy value, and then you can kind of click where you want to. So I'm gonna click right here, right click again, paste value, pull this knob down. All right, and I'm gonna just ease it out, and it should sound something like this. right, so that's how you make the JayDaYoungan structure. Again, you can edit and do whatever you want, but this is just the structure that I noticed that a lot of his songs have. But yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.